everyone, my name is Rose and I'm from Sewing for the Soul. Today I'm going to show you how to customise any of your clothes. So I've purchased this deck of letters from Amazon. They are really good quality and they're about £2 each, which is brilliant. I'll put the link below in the description. But you can see they are really nice quality and they are sort of appliqued, so they look really good on the clothes. So today I'm going to be making a gift for somebody and I'm going to show you the process of how I use these to customise the look. For this project, you're going to need your letters, which you can buy from Amazon. You are going to need some thread, which matches the colour of the letters, and some thread for the bobbin, which matches the colour of the jumper or t-shirt that you choose. You're going to need a jumper and some pins as well, just in case. So I'm making a jumper for my gay daddy, which is my mum's gay best friend and the most lovely human being ever. So I'm making him a t-shirt which is personalised. What I'm doing is just measuring up all of the letters to make sure that they're straight and they're placed exactly where I want them. I would recommend measuring where your emblem is, just so you know that it's perfectly centred, so you don't have any disasters once you start to sew. The next step, we are going to iron the letters on. So the letters that I've chose are slightly adhesive on the bottom, so I can actually iron them to the top before I start to sew. So I chose a light cloth, which is a pillowcase, just a cotton cloth, and started to iron over it just to melt the glue, so it should give it some adhesion to the jumper. You might have to do this a few times because the glue isn't that great, but yeah, it will eventually stick. Next, you want to load up your bobbin with the colour which matches the jumper. So that will be on the underside of the jumper, and the top thread will be white, which matches the letters, which you won't see on the letters. So next part is to get it on the sewing machine. So I just sewed around all of the letters. You've got to be really careful when you do this to make sure that you're not sewing on both sides of the fabric and that you're only sewing on the front part of the jumper. So you don't want the back of the jumper to accidentally be attached to the front. So make sure that you've only got one side of your fabric on the sewing machine. This can be quite fiddly, so every time that you go around a corner, I would suggest keeping the needle in the fabric and then just turning it like this, and then dropping that presser foot back down and sewing again. So it just enables you to keep your straight lines on the letters and also to just maintain control while you're sewing. It takes a bit of practice, but it's definitely worth it for the final effect. So once you've done all your sewing and you've made sure that the letters are stuck firmly to the jumper, it should look something like this. So I just went back over the jumper to double check that there was no bits I'd forgot to sew, or that there was any stray bits of fabric that just needed snipping off to make it nice and neat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more quick videos like this to help you customise and make your own clothes. If you do make this project, please make sure that you share it on your Instagram with me at sewingforthesoul_.